sweat when we dance. I fall to my knees, baby. Wanna get you alone now, not ready to ignite. I want us to go home now, turn off every light, baby.
Hey, what's up you guys? This is Quinn from Quinn's Cars, and today we have a really special episode. It is actually going to be a festival day, and it's the Eurofest in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. They have lineups from Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen. If it's European, it's there. There's going to be R8s, Lamborghinis, Ferraris. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. All right, let's head in. What better way to start off the tour with a first-gen Audi R8? This one is the V10 wrapped in several different types of carbon fiber. Up next, we have the 2011 GT3. It's the 6th gen with a flat 6 with 435 horsepower. He also had a 911 Type 993. This one has about 400 horsepower. It's heavily tuned though, so I'm figuring he has quite a bit more in this vehicle. It's got insane rims, it's got insane wide fender flares that are clearly customized, this insane front splitter, and this beautiful bluish purple color. You can see a bunch of Volkswagens over here, there's some Jettas, and then there's some Passats, but there was this one purple one that caught my attention. It's completely debadged and has Transformers badging all across it, but it looks like a B7 Volkswagen Passat. It has a turbo 4-cylinder, and these things are pretty sweet. Here's another purple one that I saw just down the lineup here. It has this really crazy speaker subwoofer wiring setup in the back. A really beautiful day out here, and of course another Audi R8. This one is the V8 model. The V8 isn't going to be as insane as the V10, of course, but it does have a 4.2 liter with 420 horsepower, and you have that awesome exposed window with the engine poking out. I saw this incredible blue RS3. This thing has a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder that puts out 394 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. And then of course it has that Quattro all-wheel drive system. This was actually a really cool looking late 1980s Volkswagen Jetta A2. Now this can put up to 127 horsepower, so it's not going to be anything insane, but it just had this really cool gutted, rally, beat up, rustic look. The entire interior has been like gutted and modified. You got these bucket seats with these race belts. This one kind of blew my mind. It's a 2020 Aston Martin Vantage. It's finished in a lime essence green yellow, and you can see that twin turbo V8 just poking out of the hood there. It's got this crazy bracing. It's got that lime green brought into the engine bay, and is just overall an insane vehicle. Front splitter just sticking out like a foot off this vehicle. The gloss black wheels and trim contrasting with this lime green is such an incredible head-turning color. Really beautiful silver 911 GT3 and a BMW M3 right next to it. Really incredible performance cars, but you can see I got a little bit distracted with this Lamborghini Huracan. It was finished in a white paint with blue flake metallic that glistened blue in the sun. It looked absolutely insane. This car is insane. It's a 5.2 liter V10 putting out 640 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Look at this interior. The red accents with the fighter jet cockpit inside is just seriously insane. Wrapping around the back, you can immediately notice that enormous carbon fiber wing that adds extra downforce, and then the exposed engine bay exposing that amazing V10 engine with some bracing, some X-bracing over that engine. Looking at the rear of this vehicle, seriously looks like a spaceship. Just the rear diffuser, the exhaust pipes, the taillights, the whole thing is a work of art. This baby blue Audi TT RS caught my eye. It's got a turbo 5-cylinder, 394 horsepower, so it's nothing insane, but it really reminds me of like a baby R8. Speaking of insanity, look at this Golf. It's got copper wheels, ombre blue to tan paint. It's got this weird basket on top for some reason. It's got stickers all over, and speaking of stickers, look at the trim along the edges of the door frame here. It's minions everywhere. And then you got these diamond stitch seats. You have zebra headliner. It's just an insane car. Speaking of insane, every Ferrari is a work of art, but this Ferrari 296 GTB is really insane. I think they did a really good job with performance too. They have the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with the electric motors that puts out 819 horsepower. Insane numbers, not only for a Ferrari, but just for supercars in general. You can see it's very track focused. It's got bucket carbon seats, and then it's got this beautiful steering wheel setup. And then you have the window looking into that 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Another Audi R8. Probably getting sick of looking at these, but I just love these cars so much. It has the 5.2-liter V10. This is the newer generation that puts out 610 horsepower. It also has an incredible interior. These cars are so good at making something handsome and elegant, but also really aggressive looking. And then this one also lets you peek into that V10 engine. This classic Ferrari caught my eye. It's a 308 GTS. It almost looks like a Testarossa though when you first look at it. And it's got this nostalgic interior to match this exterior that just screams classic 80s supercar. This Porsche GT4 RS is insane looking. It's got carbon on it, it's got gloss black, matte black, it's got this baby blue color, and these incredible gunmetal wheels with this enormous carbon fiber wing. The 718 Cayman, with it being the GT4 RS, is going to be really track focused, bucket carbon seats, giant carbon wing that is truly insane. It's got a carbon accent on the side sill there. I'm ending it with another Audi R8 because I think this is my favorite color and favorite generation of Audi R8. It's the first gen, it's got the V10, looks like it's a 2013, it's got that giant side sill with these black wheels, painted red calipers, beautiful interior with that gated manual transmission, diamond stitching with the R8 stitching in the seats, and then the rear of this vehicle just looks like it's a spaceship. Rear diffuser, exhaust, wing, insane. So that's the 2025 Maggie Valley Eurofest, and they had so many insane cars this year. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did making this video, and if you want to see more videos like this and want to see more car reviews, click on my subscribe link below. Thank you guys. All right.
Soaked in sweat when we dance.